Please note, throughout this video, it is assumed that the user is familiar with the X80 wireless camera system and X-Series Network Manager software. More training videos can be found at buckeyecam.com. AI Object Detection, known as AIOD, is an add-on to X-Series Network Manager software that will allow images received from selected cameras to be analyzed to determine if targets of interest are present. First, you'll need to be sure that your computer can run the AI Object Detection packages. To do this, click the menu bars in the upper right corner of the software window. From the list of options, click the About button, and your software will indicate if your system can run the AI packages. Minimum computer requirements to use AI Object Detection are as follows. Memory, 8 GB of RAM or higher. Processor, Core i3-3225 at 3.3 GHz or higher. To download the AI Object Detection package, click the green Download arrow at the top of the software window, then click the View Packages button. This will display a list of all the AI Object Detection packages that are available. From the list, select your desired AI Object Detection package. Please note, it is highly recommended that you use the latest version of the AI Object Detection package, AI Mega Detector 5.0, for the best user experience. Once you select your desired package, click the Download button, and the download will automatically begin. Once your download is complete, click the green Install Now button. Your software will now ask you if you want to close the X-Series Network Manager software to install AI Object Detection now. Click Yes. Next, a window will display asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes. This will bring you to the Buckeyecam AI Object Detection Setup Wizard, which will guide you through the installation. Click Next to continue. Now you will need to accept the software license agreement. To do this, choose the I accept the agreement radio button and then click Next. The next window will ask where you want to store the AI Object Detection package. By default, the file destination is already preset, and it is important that you do not change this file destination. Simply click Next to continue with the installation. A new window will display indicating that you are ready to install. Click the Install button, and your AI Object Detection package will be installed. Once the installation is complete, a final window will display, indicating that the installation is complete. You can now open the software by clicking the Finish button. And that's it! You're now able to set up AI Object Detection criteria for the cameras on your network. Please note that how to use AI Object Detection with your X-Series Network Manager software is covered in a separate video, which can be found on the Buckeyecam website under the Support tab, then by navigating to How-To Videos in the drop-down menu. For more information or for additional support, visit buckeyecam.com or call our support team at 1-866-325-8172.